We'll guide you through how to make text move in CapCut. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Static text can be boring, so let's make it move. Go and open up CapCut and open up the project you want to do this in. If you're yet to, go and add in the text. So you can press text at the bottom, pressing add text. I already have, so what we can do is go and select it. I'll show you two different ways. For the first way, make sure it's selected and you can scroll along and press animations. You've got in, out, and then loop. I quite like loops. We can click here and see the different animations here. We could go and select one and you'll go and see how it will move, which is pretty cool. In this case, I'll press none and show you the next method. And what you can then do is move your playback cursor to where you want it to start. You can adjust the start and end point as well, by the way. And what you can do is press the diamond icon to the right of the play pause button, and you can then go and make an adjustment to your text. For example, I'll have it start at the top. You can then go and move your playback cursor and you can start moving the text like so. Another keyframe will go and be added and you can go and keep moving it. Now when we play it back, you'll go and see it will go and move.